cushy surface for all of our stretches today. And we're going to start with the soles of our feet together, bringing those feet in. Just kind of watch yourself side to side on this push here. And if you want to keep this stretch deeper, you're going to take and pull your heels in towards your body. You want to think about sitting up nice and tall. Make sure you just breathe nice and slow in and out.